Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 1-serving giant chocolate chip cookie. You can even make this 2 servings by dividing the dough in half and making 2 smaller cookies, or double the recipe and make 2 giant cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into a separate small bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with a whisk for a minute until it lightens in color. Then add an egg into a small bowl. Whisk it well to combine the yolk and white. Measure out a tablespoon and add it into the mixture. And add in the vanilla extract. And beat it with a whisk for another 30 seconds. Add in the dry ingredients and chocolate chips, and mix them just until they're combined. Pour the dough onto an ungreased baking pan, or divide the dough in half and make 2 smaller cookies. If you would like the cookies to be less dark and crisp, you would be better off making 2 smaller cookies because the big cookies take longer to cook through, making the outside more dark and crisp. Add some more chocolate chips on top if you like. Smooth out the top and press it down. And bake it in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until it's brown all over and no longer shiny on top, or for 8 to 12 minutes if you're doing 2 smaller cookies. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 3 to 5 minutes. Then transfer it to a cooling rack and let it cool a little longer. And you can have it still warm or at room temperature, and pour up a cup of milk and enjoy. And that's how to make a 1 or 2 serving giant chocolate chip cookie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like and check out my channel for more videos and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.